Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz here. I'm going to talk about the 6th grade sections 4.1 and 4.2. This is all about equations and equality. What you're going to find in this section is it's going to be pretty straightforward, but it's important that we talk about this because everything that we talk about in this video is something that you're going to see again and again and again throughout the rest of our work with equations. So let's get to it. First of all, let's talk about the addition property of equality. So remember what equality means. Equality means we have a balance equation. So we have whatever is on the left side value exactly the same as what's on the right side. So this would be an example of a not a balanced equation, and this one is balanced. So the addition property of equality says that we're going to add the same amount to each side of the equation. So if we have an equation like 7 plus 3 equals 10, and we decide to add some amount, we're going to call that amount A. Well, if we add it over here, then we have to make sure we add it over here as well. Same holds true for the subtraction property of equality. This one says that we subtract the same amount from each side of the equation. So again, if we start with 7 plus 3 equals 10, and we decide we're going to subtract some amount A, we have to make sure that we also subtract that same amount A from the other side of the equation. Same thing holds true for the multiplication property of equality. This is telling us that we multiply by the same amount on each side of the equation. So if we start with this equation again, 7 plus 3 equals 10, and then we decide that we want to multiply some number, we'll call it A, we have to make sure that we're also multiplying by A on the other side of the equation. That's what equality is all about. Whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And lastly, same holds true for division, of course. We're going to divide by the same amount on each side of the equation. So back to our same example of 7 plus 3 equals 10. If we decide that we're going to divide by some value A, we just have to make sure that we also divide by some value A on the other side as well. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for listening, everybody.